When I started from India and I had a meeting with the secretary, Professor Kotecha. So he stressed me that there the clinic and the hospital of Unani and Ayurvedic systems are poor. So you have to strengthen the OPDs and the practice of Unani and Ayurvedic system should be strong there. Before coming here, so I was instructed by the Government of India, Secretary is nothing but Government of India. So Government of India that we should make the Unani clinics, and clinics means OPD as well as IPD is strong. More and more patients should come in the clinic, more and more patients should be admitted for the procedures and regimental therapies by the Unani system of medicine. The student can get the confidence. The second thing is that we do not have fast-acting drugs. That we need some drugs are there, but student as well as some practitioner may note that what is their potential. I have seen in the OPD that there is one product is there very good for skin diseases. It is superior than any allopathic medicine available in the market for the infective as well as non-infective dermatitis. Due to not knowing the potential of the drug, it is Unani drug is not being prescribed. So we have to educate the students, and we have to make aware the potentiality of these drugs to the allopathic doctors also, so that they can send us the patient where our medicine can work better, or where there is a bare area. For example, for a GIT problem, non-infective GIT problem, for example, dyspepsia, and so many other conditions, irritable bowel syndrome, the liver diseases. The question first comes that the potential of the already available drugs, quality control of already available drug. So Hamdard is, Alhamdulillah, is doing good quality control here. Then the development of more and more fast-acting drug, optimization of the formulations, optimizations in case of fast-acting, as well as for reducing the number of ingredients. Because, for example, one Jawarish or one Majun having 40 ingredients and 5 of them are not available. So this is out of production. So we should optimize the formulation, and we should see what are the ingredients, active ingredients present in that, so that these active with the availability of the available ingredients, can we have the similar effect. So this can be done by analyzing the phytochemical and then later on in the OPD. Similarly, optimization of the formulation, we should actually, Hakim Ajmal Khan's aim was that first we should isolate if possible. Sometimes it is not possible, but whenever possible, we should identify the active pharmacological principle of each and every medicine as far as possible, and then we can use this active pharmacological principle or complex for fortifying our drugs. So if we fortify our drug, this will have for the quality control purpose, for academic purpose, and for the purpose of drug development, for the purpose of we can change the dosage form, for the modification of the dosage form, for fast acting drugs. So these are the research and development which we can do with the help of our Vice Chancellor. I have discussed this just before coming here. He was asking that what are the prospects after coming me to do some work, because if there is some project is there, so the viability and the action plan is thought right before we start it. So because he is the experienced person, so he started to think about it and give guidance right before I came here. So I assure that this can be taken care. And Hamdard itself, I have not gone to the factory section of Hamdard, and sir told and somebody told that there is a R&D section also. So we can utilize it, the R&D section of Hamdard. And as far as regulatory this is concerned, so somebody was saying that board member of the boards, that we are only member of the board, but nothing to be done because there is no infrastructure. So member of the board, they are for the legislation. If you have no laboratory, no problem. Hamdard has the laboratory. Hamdard will provide you the pharmacopoeia or adopt the Indian pharmacopoeia. They are updating yearly or something, and I was the member of the Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee, which is a combined body for Ayurvedic, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. So in this way we are having different pharmacopoeial committees, and the different pharmacopoeia they are updating. So many volumes they have published, so you can adopt them, because Government of India is also adopting whatever the Central Council for Research in Unani Medicine, previously they have worked for the academic purpose. Then the work done by the Central Council for Research in Unani Medicine was adopted by Government of India and the Pharmacopoeial Committee for the purpose of regulatory purpose. So if you do not have any infrastructure, no problem. Some work already done in India, or some work, some infrastructure available in Hamdard University, in Hamdard pharmaceutical section, and we can more develop it till the government, because we cannot promise you that how much time the government will take. Till the government take, you just advise us, and with the help of director of Hamdard, and do in the available infrastructure we will do. If some additional infrastructure is required, that will not be a problem, because for the drug development, for putting the traditional system into scientific way, and preparing the standard operative procedure for each and everything, including the regimental therapy, because our regimental therapies are very good, but the thing is that we should convince the modern doctors by preparing the evidence-based SOP, standard operative procedure for each and everything.